name's Tim Thomas. I'm the CEO of the Centre for Australia-India Relations. The centre was set up by Prime Minister Albanese in May of 2023 when Prime Minister Modi visited Sydney. It is the centre of gravity of all things that Australia is attempting to build deeper relationships, successful transformative relationships with India. This trip to AMTZ has been an eye-opener. It shows the opportunities for collaboration between Australia and India in a very specific and profound field, in the medtech field. I really liked the conversations we've had today on creating more collaboration in the startup ecosystem and in the advanced manufacturing ecosystem. And I think AMTZ can prove to be a very strong node of collaboration on the India side, whilst the centre can try and bring together key stakeholders in government, in research, in private sector from the Australia side to really make an impact.